Welcome back to the Sunday preview. My name's Jackson, here with Shakar. If you guys have watched us before, this is a little bit of a different setting, but we're trying this out. Let us know down in the comments if you like it. While you're down there, go ahead and press the like button, subscribe. Let's get right into the video. So, quick review, the meme stocks. Everyone's talking about them, but they've been in the news less and less. So, GME, AMC, BlackBerry, some other ones. Basically, the short interest just isn't there anymore. So I hope you guys took profits, and I hope you guys can transfer those profits to the next big thing, which we are going to lay out later in this video. Next, last week we talked about Tesla. It was under $800 and it was looking really attractive. It closed last Friday at over $860. So we're super happy about that prediction. Shakar, any other information to add about Tesla?
Yeah, so basically last week what we saw was an overreaction to the bad earnings from Tesla. So that's why we saw the dip, and usually when dips happen like that with great companies, it's a great time to start a position and buy in. So
Great, yeah. I mean, it was definitely worth the investment when we told you guys last Sunday. All right, so moving on, crypto. So first of all, Shikari, give us a little information about what crypto is and why it's the future.
well, more specifically, I think at least more specifically, Bitcoin and Ethereum are. So basically, Bitcoin is digital gold, and Ethereum is digital oil. And Bitcoin is basically a digital currency that you can split into 100 million different ways. You can send it, and it's all decentralized, meaning that none of the banks or the government really has control over it. So that's a plus. And for Ethereum is not more really of a currency, but it's a whole network, like a foundation where things get built upon. And that lending, loans, IOUs, like all these it's a huge market. It's decentralized finance. Trillions of dollars will be eventually, I think, be put into Ethereum. I'm a huge believer of it, and I think by the end of the cycle, conservative price target for Ethereum is $10,000, and for Bitcoin, 200,000.
Wow. I mean, if you guys look at the price of what Ethereum and Bitcoin are right now, we're looking at a 10x in the next 10 months, which I think is just incredible. And again, do your own due diligence. But from Shikar's analysis, Bitcoin and Ethereum are really good buys right now. So, Shikar, could you give us a little information about Ethereum 2.0? Any guess to when it's going to come out and how it could affect the stock price?
It was supposed to come out, I believe, last year, but it got pushed back and a couple delays. But again, I mean, the smartest people in the world are on this right now. I trust the Ethereum team and what they're gonna do. And basically, Ethereum 2.0, I think it's just gonna make it faster, like faster transactions, less lower fees, which is very helpful, for people actually using the currency in the network. So yeah, it's really going to be a huge update, and I'm excited to see. I think it's going to come out around this time this year, hopefully with no any delays. It should be around this year. So yeah.
Perfect. And for viewers who have already been watching crypto, give us your analysis on what happened this weekend with the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and why that's so important.
Yeah, so the reason Ethereum right now went on a little dump is because people are very fearful right now because of what happened last time a CME Futures came out in 2017 when Bitcoin CME came out. That was like the peak of the cycle. And I guess people just thought that because of the CME it went down, but in reality it was just the end of the cycle for Bitcoin because it's already been a year and a half, or 2 years, so the cycle was already over. But this time around, Ethereum, the cycle that we're in now is only like 10% in. We still have like 90% of the cycle remaining. So again, I shouldn't be worried. I mean, if you see it under like $1,600, I think that's a great time, price to buy.
Yeah, definitely. All right. Well, Shakar, as always, thank you for your input. That wraps up our Sunday preview. We want to keep it short, concise for you guys. Do me a favor, and if you guys want to start investing now, go ahead and check the links in the description. Robinhood, when you sign up, you get 1 free stock, and Webull, you get 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit $100. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you midweek and then again for the Sunday preview. Thanks.